Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we're about to explore a game changer for anyone looking to skip the salon visit but still rock flawless nails. Whether you're prepping for a last-minute event or just want to pamper yourself with some quality DIY nail art, this product might just be what you need. Today, we're reviewing the Kiss Salon Acrylic Natural Press-On Nails in the Rare Nude shade with a Squoval shape and a short length. Kiss is a well-known brand in the beauty industry, and their press-on nails are gaining quite the reputation for being salon quality with a DIY twist. Let's see if they live up to the hype. First, let's talk about what you're getting in this kit. You get 28 nails in 14 different sizes, which means you're more likely to find the perfect fit for your nails. Along with that, there's pink gel nail glue, a mini file, and a manicure stick to help you apply these with ease. The nails are designed to mimic salon acrylics, thanks to Kiss's unique acrylic-infused technology. This gives them a strength that's supposed to be flexible yet durable, ensuring they stay put for up to 7 days. So how do they measure up in the real world? Personally, I found these press-ons to be incredibly easy to use. No mess, no fuss, just quick, precise application. The glue is strong enough that I didn't have to worry about them lifting or popping off after a day or two, but they weren't so sticky that I couldn't adjust them during application. The Squoval shape is ideal for anyone who wants something a bit more modern than a square shape, but with the practicality of a round one. The nude color is versatile, flattering on various skin tones, and easy to wear whether you're going for a natural or more polished look. After several days of wear, I noticed that the nails felt comfortable, and I could go about my daily routine without constantly worrying if they'd budge. They even held up during a few at-home cleaning sessions. No chips or cracks, just a clean, polished look the entire week. Of course, when it's time to remove them, it's just as easy as putting them on. No hassle, no damage to your natural nails. Now let's break down some of the pros and cons. The major advantage here is the convenience. I'm sure most of us don't always have time for a full-on salon manicure, but we still want something that looks professional. These nails deliver just that. The flexibility and fit is another strong point. With 14 sizes, they're more customizable than some other press-ons out there. The included glue and tools make the whole process even easier. On the flip side, while the nails are durable, they're not indestructible. I did find that after a full week, they started to lose some of their shine, especially near the tips. Also, the short size might be a bit limiting for those who prefer longer nails, but that's just a personal preference. If you're more into bold, long nails, you may want to explore Kiss's other options. As far as value for money goes, I'd say these nails are a solid investment if you're looking for a low-maintenance manicure that lasts. For the price, you're getting a full set that can last up to a week, which is definitely worth it compared to regular salon visits. The nails are strong but flexible, and the finish is impressive, especially if you're looking for that salon look at home. Comparing these to other press-on nails, Kiss stands out with their durability and the fact that they don't feel bulky or fake. Some press-on nails can feel a little too thick or heavy, but these have a lightweight feel without sacrificing strength. If you're looking for a budget-friendly alternative, some cheaper press-ons may not last as long, and the quality may not match the acrylic-infused technology of the Kiss nails. In terms of build quality, the nails themselves are well made, and the glue is strong without being overly harsh. The packaging is simple but functional, and the mini file and stick make the whole process a lot easier. These nails are clearly designed to offer a professional-grade experience right in the comfort of your home. If you haven't experienced Kiss's customer support, I can tell you they have a solid reputation for being responsive and helpful, which is always a plus when you're purchasing beauty products. I haven't had to reach out personally, but I've seen great reviews about their support team. Now, about alternatives. While Kiss's press-ons are a great option if you're looking for something a little cheaper or you don't mind sacrificing a bit of durability, you might find similar options at a lower price point. But honestly, if you're in for the long haul, these nails are totally worth the price for their quality and convenience. In conclusion, The Kiss Salon Acrylic Natural Press-On Nails are an excellent choice for anyone who wants the salon experience without the time or cost commitment. If you're looking for a convenient, easy-to-use, and long-lasting option for flawless nails, this product is a winner. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.